5 AI money myths busted. How to start earning $2,000 a month even if you're not a tech genius. Hey everyone, my name is Daniel. If you've ever wondered how people are making real money with AI but weren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. This is the first video in a brand new series designed to help you cut through the noise and start earning with AI. Even if you have zero tech skills, we spent months putting this together to make it as practical and action-packed as possible. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Today we're busting 5 of the biggest myths about making money with AI, misconceptions that are holding so many people back. But that's not all. In the first half of this video I also show you how to grab a free PDF guide called AI Dollars, how to turn artificial intelligence into making money machine. This step-by-step guide will help you take your first steps in the world of AI. To get it, just click the link in the description. Now, here what we're covering today. First, we'll break down 5 myths about making money with AI that might be slowing you down. Number 2, I'll show you real-life examples of people who are already earning with AI. Number 3, you'll learn how to start with minimal investment and zero tech skills. Number 4, and of course, I'll share pro tips to help you avoid common mistakes. Sound good? Let's dive in. The first myth I hear all the time: AI is too complicated for regular people. But that's simply not true. Modern tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney and Canva AI are designed to be user-friendly. You don't need to be a programmer or tech expert to get started. Take ChatGPT for example. All you have to do is type in a question or a prompt, and AI does the rest. The same goes with MidJourney. Just describe what you want to see and it generates a unique image for you. It's really that simple. The second myth is AI will replace all jobs. But that's not how it works. AI doesn't replace people, it helps them work smarter and faster. For example, instead of writing content from scratch, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas and drafts. But creativity, strategy and decision making, those are still human skills. Designers use AI to speed up their workflow, but the final decisions are always made by a person. AI is your assistant, not your competition. The third myth is you need a lot of money to start making money with AI, but that's completely false. Many tools like ChatGPT are free or super affordable. For example, you can start with a free version of ChatGPT and only upgrade if you need more features. Canva AI is another great example. It's an affordable design tool that millions of people use every day. You don't need expensive software or pricey courses to get started. All you need is the willingness to learn and a little time. The first myth is AI is only for IT professionals. That couldn't be further from the truth. AI is being used in every industry, from marketing and design to education and healthcare. For example, teachers use AI to create lessons plans, marketers use it to analyze data and generate content, and even doctors are using AI to diagnose conditions faster and more accurately. AI is a tool that anyone can use, no matter what field they're in. And the final myth, making money with AI is a scam. But it's just not true. Tons of people are already using AI to earn real income, including my friend Anna. Anna was struggling as a freelance writer. She had the skills, but the competition was fierce, and she was barely making ends meet. Then she discovered ChatGPT. At first she was skeptical, like most of us when we try something new. But she gave it a shot. She started using ChatGPT to brainstorm blog topics, outline articles, and even generate first drafts. It saved her hours of work every week, allowing her to take on more clients. Fast forward to today and Anna is making $2,000 a month just from blog writing. She's even landed long-term contracts with companies because she delivers high-quality work so fast, so quickly, And guess what? She's not a tech expert, just someone who saw an opportunity and took action. AI is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's 100% real way to make money if you're willing to put in an effort. If you're ready to make money with AI, hit the subscribe button. There's a lot more valuable content coming your way. And don't forget to grab your free PDF guide, AI Dollars, how to turn artificial intelligence into a money-making machine. It's your first step to success and you can get it right now using the link in the description. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one of them and will make sure to answer. See you in the next video.